Since the first Gearless Mill Drive, or GMD, was delivered in 1969, ABB has supplied over 120 units in 23 countries on 5 continents. It is now the primary choice for many grinding applications in the minerals and mining industries, where availability, efficiency and durability matter. The GMD concept is a simple one. By mounting rotor poles directly to the mill body and surrounding it with the stator ring, the mill itself becomes part of the motor. The necessary torque to turn the mill is transmitted between the GMD and the mill via the magnetic field in the air gap between the stator and rotor, resulting in a motor system that requires no gearing or direct contact transmission. Elimination of any gears not only boosts the efficiency by reducing frictional losses, it also reduces the quantity of critical components and their related maintenance due to wear and tear. The GMD is an impressive sight. Foot-mounted ball mill stators like this stand over 15 meters tall, can accommodate mills up to 8 meters in diameter, and weigh over 320 tons. Pedestal-mounted stators for larger mills can go over 20 meters. The sheer scale of these installations is remarkable in itself. But perhaps the most remarkable aspect of the GMD is that despite the colossal size of the motor, the air gap between the stator and the rotor poles is only about 17 millimeters. This is precision engineering on a truly massive scale. Such precision starts at the design stage. The GMD not only includes the drive hardware with all auxiliary systems installed in an e-house, with the drive control algorithm and all protection systems, but it also includes the control and supervision of the hydraulic and lubrication equipment for the mill bearings, the mechanical mill brake control, and the visualization of all parts of the drive systems. Each element of the GMD is designed and built by ABB before being tested to the highest standards. And after complete testing of the GMD, the parts are carefully packaged and shipped to site. Shipping a GMD is an engineering feat in itself. Over 12 meters long, end to end, and nearly 5 meters wide, each 82-ton stator quarter of a foot-mounted GMD is shipped separately by truck to its final destination, where, once joined by the other key components, the monumental task of reassembly begins. The stator quarters are extremely rigid, which means that during installation they are easy to handle as they do not flex or bend. The ring motor's windings are designed for rapid installation at the stator joints. As such, the winding system is simplicity itself. The bars are inserted, then brazed before the end cap is attached and filled with resin. As can be seen here, the end result is a neat, tidy and simple-looking winding. ABB has developed an innovative way of assembling the ring motor's poles. Each pole is individually positioned and adjusted to ensure that the rotor is perfectly rounded. This ensures a uniform air gap throughout the entire circumference of the rotor, bringing greater reliability and efficiency to the machine. Even though the GMD is moving a mill weighing in at over 3,000 tons fully loaded, its design allows for precision control of both speed and position. Operational modes such as creeping and positioning allow the mill to be moved at much less than 1 revolution per minute, with no loss of torque, ideal for service and maintenance, and eliminating the need for a separate positioning drive. This low-speed control also allows smooth starting and stopping, complete with anti-rocking software to provide smooth, stable shutdowns within seconds. In addition, the Mill Local Control Panel, or MLCP, can be used to rotate the mill to the exact orientation necessary for maintenance, such as replacement of liner plates. The system can even handle fluctuations in power supply, providing constant torque throughout. Combining raw power with precise control, the GMD system offers significant advantages in grinding applications. ABB gearless mill drives allow bi-directional operation, have integrated frozen charge protection with charge remover, are reliable because they have minimal wearing parts, and offer creeping and positioning without an auxiliary drive. Choose ABB for a complete solution, built to the highest specifications, that's ready to integrate with your existing infrastructure and bring control, efficiency and durability to your process.